To add an event to calendar on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to find the calendar app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. In my case, it is located in here, so let's just open it. Now here, we should be able to either just tap on any of these days, or you can just simply press on this plus button at the bottom of the screen. So if you choose the date first, then of course you will see the date immediately set up straight away. If not, then you can of course still adjust it. So first at the top we have the title. You can set up the title for the event. You can also use an emoji and a color. Here of course we can pick the date when the event starts and when it ends, and also we can do the same thing for the time. You can also enable all day option, which removes the time, so the event lasts whole day. Besides that, we can set up the location if you want to. We have the account that is going to be used to save the event, and there is also notifications or alerts, so you can choose when you want to be informed about the upcoming event. You can choose if the event is repeatable or not, and so on and so forth. We have a couple of additional options here below. Once you set everything up, you can just simply tap on save at the bottom of the screen, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.